Number 5. The Lian Lancool 217 wood panel tempered glass mid-tower PC gaming case is a stunning fusion of modern performance and natural elegance. Designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want both powerful functionality and a touch of sophistication. In their setup, its front panel features a beautifully crafted wooden accent, offering a warm, unique aesthetic that sets it apart from conventional cases, while the tempered glass side panel provides a clear, unobstructed view of your high performance. Components and custom RGB lighting. Engineered for exceptional airflow, the case supports multiple fan and radiator configurations, ensuring optimal cooling for even the most demanding builds. Number 4. The NZXT 7 Flow Tempered Glass eATX Mid-Tower Computer. Case is built for performance-focused builders who demand excellent cooling efficiency and sleek, modern aesthetics. With its perforated front panel design, it delivers superior airflow, keeping components running at optimal temperatures, even during intense gaming or heavy workloads. The tempered glass side panel. Number 3. The Corsair 2500D Airflow Mid-Tower Dual-Chamber PC Case is a masterfully engineered solution for builders who value both high-performance cooling and a clean, organized build aesthetic. Designed with a dual-chamber layout, it separates the main hardware components from the power supply and storage drives, ensuring optimal airflow and a clutter-free presentation. The highly ventilated front and top panels, combined with support for multiple fan and radiator configurations, make it ideal for advanced air or liquid cooling setups, keeping even the most demanding systems cool under load. The tempered glass side panel offers a stunning showcase of your internal components. Number 2. The Lian Lancool 207 Compact eATX RGB Gaming Computer Case combines a space-efficient design with premium features, making it an ideal choice for gamers who want powerful performance in a smaller footprint. Its compact eATX form factor allows it to fit seamlessly into tighter setups without sacrificing compatibility with high-end components, supporting full-sized graphics cards, advanced cooling systems, and multiple storage options. The case features vibrant pre-installed RGB fans, delivering both striking visual appeal and strong airflow to keep your system running cool during intense gaming sessions. A tempered glass side panel offers a crystal-clear view of your hardware and lighting effects, while smart cable management channels and tie points. Number 1. The Cooler Master HOF 700 Evo Tempered Glass eATX Full Tower Computer Case is a powerhouse designed for enthusiasts who demand extreme performance, unmatched cooling, and bold aesthetics. Built to house the most advanced gaming or workstation setups, it offers vast interior space that supports eATX motherboards, oversized graphics cards, and an extensive array of storage drives. Its high airflow design, featuring large mesh panels and multiple pre-installed high-performance fans, ensures exceptional cooling capacity, while extensive liquid cooling support allows for custom loop configurations with multiple radiators. The tempered glass side panel provides a stunning showcase for your hardware and RGB lighting, complemented by a customizable front display panel